Welcome to GATE 2021 model questions on control systems. Today's our topic is controllability and observability. Let us see the question number 1. Consider a system x dot equals to x plus b, y equal to c, x given, and the system is both controllable and observable if these are the options shown: b not equal to 0, c not equal to 0, like this. Okay, let us go for the solution. For this is the system they are given. Okay, what is the controllability matrix? U is defined as b ab a square b, like this, continues up to a power n minus 1 b for nth order system. For second order system it is b ab only. This is your a matrix, this is your b matrix, this is your c matrix. Okay, what is b is 0 1. What is a into b matrix? If you multiplied a into 0 plus b into 1 is b only. C into 0 plus d into 1 is d itself. And the rank of this matrix should be, for nth order should be n, for second order should be 2. To determine the rank, first to determine the determinant. If it is not equal to 0, the rank is 2 only, full rank, and we'll say it is controllable. If it is equal to 0 determinant, rank will be less than 2 and it is uncontrollable system. What is the determinant of the controllability matrix? What we'll get it is minus b, which should not be equal to 0 for controllability. Okay, now we'll go for the observability. Means for controllability, small b should not be equal to 0 only. What is observability matrix? B is given as C, CA. What is C matrix is 1 0. What is C into A is 1 into A plus C into 0 is A itself. Next, similarly 1 into B plus D into 0 is nothing but B itself. Again, find here determinant. What will get it is b itself, which should not be equal to 0 for observability. Or from here, directly we can tell that the for controllability and observability, both controllable and observability, what is the condition we'll have it is b should not be equal to 0 only. Or which is your correct option is obviously option A itself, your correct answer. Hence your answer is A. Okay, thank you. Any doubts, please post in the comments box. Soon we are launching DevBase Gate lectures for control systems. Already see in the previous video also we have said for you. Or it will take some time, just within 1 or 2 weeks it will be launched for you. Okay, maximum 2 weeks time it will take for me to launch the control system lectures. Meanwhile, we'll complete this DevBase Gate courses for control systems. Okay, let me complete that one and we'll go for the lectures. Within 2 weeks we'll start this new channel. Okay, thank you very much.